Good morning, students. I am Naral Maths faculty in Target High School. You know very well. Yes, today let us introduce different problems of 8th class standard students. Right. Here, observe carefully. The problem, first problem is from the radius of the outer circle is 7 centimeter. Then find the radius of the inner circle. So here, this is the outer circles and this is the inner circle, students. Okay, right. So here, outer circle radius is given. Radius of the outer circle. That means here, this is the radius of the outer circle, students. And join each and every radius of outer circle, then automatically form a square. Isn't it or not? Form a square. So this is 7 and this is 7 and here also as the same procedure, students. Okay. Then here observe carefully. We draw a like this here. Observe. This is a radius or not? Is it or not? Right. So up to from center to any point on a circle is up to here this is capital and up to this is smaller and also here smaller and also join them it is also capital. That means here this line is represented diagonal of a square. Diagonal of a square. Diagonal of a square equal to formula root 2 into side. Root 2 into side. And also observe, students, while joining this line, how many odds are there? Capital R is 2 and small r is 2. So finally, r plus r 2r, r plus small r also 2r. Okay? While approaching the solution, observe carefully. Solution given from the figure. Diagonal of a square. Diagonal of a square equal to generally formula what they given formula root 2 into side. Root 2 into side, isn't it? Right. Next one here diagonal of a square by joining these students. So capital R is 2, small r is 2. Then that implies 2r plus 2 capital R plus 2 small r equal to root 2 into side value. So up to here 7 into here 7. 7 plus 7, 14. Then 14 centimeter is represented side of a square, students. That's why root 2 into side. Root 2 into side. So in both terms 2 as a common factor. Then 2 of capital R plus small r equal to root 2 into 14. So 2 ones, 2 sevens. So that is capital R plus small r equal to 7 root 2. 7 root 2. According to the problem, radius of outer circle is represented capital R, students. Then I wrote here capital R equal to 7 centimeter given according to the problem. So substitute R replace 7. Okay. So 7 plus small r equal to 7 root 2 plus 7 transfer right side becomes minus. Then small r equal to 7 root 2 minus capital 7. In both terms 7 as a common factor. 7 of root 2 minus 1. Root 2 minus 1 centimeters. This is a smaller value, students. Okay. This is the radius of a inner circle. Radius of inner circle equal to value 7 of root 2 minus 1 centimeter. This is the solution of given problem. Right. Observe the solution. Analyze the problem carefully. The lengths of the sides of a triangle are integrals and its area is also an integer. If one side is 21 centimeter and perimeter is 48 centimeter, find the shortest side. Find the shortest side. So as I draw a triangle carefully, students, observe in that solution. So let me consider sides are A, B, C. A, B, C. Isn't it? And also given here perimeter equal to 48. Next one side equal to 21 centimeters. Okay. Observe the solution carefully. Solution given. Let A, B, C be sides of a triangle. Sides of a triangle. The sides of a triangle. Here one side value is given, students. How much given? 21 centimeters. So A equal to 21 centimeters. A equal to 21 centimeter. And also given here perimeter, right? So perimeter equal to how much given? Perimeter equal to 48 centimeters. Then semi-perimeter, we find semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter in the bracket capital S. S equal to semi means half of the perimeter, students. So that is 48 by 2. 48 by 2. It becomes 24 centimeters. 24 centimeters. Here, according to the problem, perimeter equal to 48 centimeters. Isn't it or not? Therefore, A plus B plus C equal to A plus B equal to 48. 48. Here, A value how much, friend? 21 centimeters. So then that implies becomes okay. 21 plus B plus C equal to 48. So plus 21 transfer right side becomes minus. Then B plus C equal to 48 minus 21. 48 minus 21. So it becomes B plus C equal to 48 minus 21 nothing but 27, student. 27. So plus C transfer right side becomes minus. B equal to 27 minus C. And take subtraction. Subtracting 3 on both sides. Subtracting 3 on both sides. So then that implies if B value is this one, then minus 3 taken on both sides. B minus 3 equal to 27 minus C minus 3. Finally, B minus 3 equal to 27 minus 3 nothing but 24. 24 minus C, students. 24 minus C. This is very important value, students. Let me consider which is equation number 1. Which is equation number 1, isn't it? So here we know A value along with B value. So C as the same, students, right? By using perimeter of a scaled triangle. What about the formula of perimeter of a scaled triangle? That is square root of S minus A, S minus B along with S minus C. S minus C. Isn't it or not? Right. So selecting the top of this page, students. Right. Therefore, we find the area value, students. Then area of a triangle. Area of a triangle, right? So what is area of a triangle? So area of a triangle equal to square root of formula. Square root of S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. S minus C. Substitute the values, which implies square root of S value. So S equal to how much, students, here? 24. So 24 minus A value 21. A value is 21. So 24 minus 21 into next 24 minus B. We don't know B value, students. Next one. And also S minus C means 24 minus C. 24 minus C. Minus C. So then that implies, which implies square root of 24 into 24 minus 21 nothing but 3 into S minus B. So 24 minus B as the same taken. And also here 24 minus C. From equation 1, 24 minus C nothing but B minus 3. B minus 3. Isn't it or not? So here the 24 minus C replace B minus 3 taken, students. Since aside from 1. Since aside from 1, equation 1, friend. So this is very important problem, students, right? So which implies so 24 minus 3 here 24 can be written as 12. So that is 12 into 2. 2 12 is 24 into 3 and also into 24 minus B and also B minus 3, students. Okay. So 12 3 is 36. Square root of 36 into 2 of 24 minus B into B minus 3. b minus 3. Is it or not? Right. Here observe, here square root distribute all the term. Square root of 36 value, it becomes 6 only. So then that implies 6 into square root of, so 2 into 24 minus b into b minus 3. b minus 3. So observe carefully what they given according to the problem. Area of a triangle. So area of a triangle. Area of a triangle is an integer. Area of a triangle is an integer. So if it is integer given means, so if these two values are equal, then automatically suppose these two value 5, this value also 5, 5 into 5, 5 square. Square root get cancelled, but you get 5. 5 is an integer or not? That's why if area of a triangle is an integer, then must be, this is an integer already. So these two values are equal automatically. Total value also it becomes equal. That's why area of triangle is integer. So after that here 2 of 24 minus b equal to b minus 3. 2 of 24 minus b equal to b minus 3. Okay. Then that implies, observe carefully students. 2 into 24 nothing but 48 minus 2 into b 2b. So 2b equal to, next one, b minus 3. b minus 3. Minus 3 transfer left side becomes plus. Minus 2b transfer right side becomes plus. So that is 48 plus 3 equal to b plus 2b. b plus 2b. Okay, right. So b plus 2b nothing but 3b. 3b equal to 48 plus 3 nothing but 51. Cancel with the 3. 3 1 is 3. 3 7 is 21. So b equal to 17. b equal to 17. So from equation 1, observe carefully. So from what aside? From equation 1, what I did? So b minus 3 equal to 24 minus c. b minus 3 equal to 24 minus c. Isn't it or not? So substitute b value. 17 minus 3 equal to 24 minus c. Okay, right. 17 minus 3. So 14 equal to 24 minus c. Minus a transfer outside becomes plus. Plus 14 transfer outside becomes minus. Then finally c equal to 24 minus 14. Then c equal to 10. c equal to 10. So starting already given, a equal to 21, here b equal to 17 and c equal to 10. Which is the shortest side here? 10 centimeter. Isn't it or not? So finally sides. Sides are 21 centimeters, 17 centimeters, 10 centimeter. Therefore, shortest side equal to 10 centimeters. 10 centimeter. This is very, very important problem, students, in your academic section, calculation chapter, students. Okay, all of you must write the solution carefully. Don't forget it, and also practice more. Right, students. First, analyze the problem carefully, students. A pendulum. Pendulum means in your old watch, students. Observe this one. This is a pendulum, students. Okay. A pendulum swings through an angle 30 degrees and describes an arc 8.8 centimeters in length. Find the length of the pendulum. Length means nothing but a radius of a sector, students. Radius of a sector. Is it or not? So if it is pendulum moving like this, then so here like this means it is the length of an arc, isn't it? And also angle also given. Then we find radius of a sector, nothing but radius of a circle, whatever it may be, students. Right, observe carefully here. Solution given. What they given? First of all, observe carefully, students. Solution given in a pendulum. Okay, right. Angle how much given? 30 degrees. X degrees equal to 30 degrees. X degrees equal to 30 degrees. Next one, length. L equal to 8.8 centimeters. Length equal to 8.8 centimeter. Therefore, radius. Find the length, nothing but radius, students. R equal to formula x degrees into, L into 360 degrees by, okay, x degrees into 2 pi. X degrees into 2 pi. This is the formula by using this problem solution, students. So which implies L value how much given here? 8.8 into 360 degrees by x degrees value 30 into 2 into 22 by 7. Pi value means here 22 by 7. Isn't it right? Next one, student. If you take directly, this 7 is expressed in numerator, isn't it? So then that implies 8.8 into 360 degrees into 7 by next one 30 into 2 into 22. 30 into 2 into 2. Okay? So observe carefully, students. 0 0 get cancelled. 2 3 is 6. 6 6 is 36, students. 6 6 is 36. Okay? Next one. 22 1 is 22. 22 0.4. 22 0.4. Isn't it or not? Next one. It becomes 0.4 into 6, nothing but 2.4. 2.4 into 7. So then that implies 7 4 is 28. 7 2 is 14 plus 2 16. So 16.8 centimeters. 16.8 centimeter. This is the length of the pendulum. Length of the pendulum, students. Okay, all of you must write and practice carefully. Right, observe, students. If n equal to 2 cube into 3 power 4 into 7 power 1 into 15 power 6, then find the number of consecutive zeros in natural number n, students. Right, what they given, analyze the problem carefully, then write the solution. Solution given. Here n value is given, student. How much n equal to 2 cube into 3 power 4 into 7 power 1 into 15 power 6. 15 power 6. Isn't it or not? First n value can be expressed. Go through how many consecutive zeros we taken, students. That means observe carefully, which implies 2 cube into 3 power 4 into 7 power 1 into. So 15 means 3 5 is 15. 3 into 5 whole power 6. 3 into 5 whole power 6. So then that implies 2 cube into 3 power 4 into 7 power 1 into. So 3 power 6 into 5 power 6. 3 power 6 into 5 power 6. Okay. So then that implies 2 cube into. So observe carefully here. 3 power 4 plus 6, how much? 3 power 10 into 7 power 1. 3 power 6 can be written as 5 cube into 5 cube. 5 cube into 5 cube. Isn't it or not? Okay. Right. Next one. So observe these two values, students. Why? Because we find consecutive zeros. Consecutive zeros. That's why here both are clubbed, students. So then that implies here 2 cube, here also 5 cube. That means we can express 2 into 5 whole cube. Is it any problem? So a power m into a power n, nothing, b power n, nothing but a into b whole power n. Okay? Right. Remaining, students. 2 into 5 whole cube into next 3 power 10, next 5 cube into 7 power 1. 3 power 10, 5 cube, 7 power 1. These two matching, students. Okay. So then that implies 2 into 5. 2 5 is 10. 10 cube value how much? 1000. 10 cube value 1000. So here, okay, we are taken one more time. 10 cube into 3 power 10 into 5 cube into 7 power 1. So it becomes 10 cube value 1000 into 3 power 10 into 5 power 3 into 7 power 1. Okay. So we find how many? Find the number of consecutive zeros. So consecutive zeros, how many are there here? 3 is there. Isn't it or not? That's why. Conclusion. Therefore, consecutive zeros. Consecutive zeros equal to 3. Consecutive zeros equal to 3. That is the solution of given problem, students. Right. The product of 7 and periodicity of 1 by 7 is x. The product of 7 and periodicity of 1 by 7 is x, students. If x cube plus 5 equal to y plus x square, then the value of y. Okay. So right, observe the solution carefully. Solution given. Right. First we find periodicity of 1 by 7. So periodicity of 1 by 7 equal to how much? Periodicity of 1 by 7. Observe carefully. If you did the division, students, 1 by 7 equal to 0.142857 bar. This is the 1 by 7 value. If you do division 7 to 1. Okay, right. Here, how many numbers are repeated here? 6 numbers. So periodicity equal to 6. So periodicity of 1 by 7 equal to 6 students. Isn't it all? Next one. According to the problem, ATP, right? What they given first statement, observe carefully. Product of 7 and periodicity of 1 by 7 is x. So that is x equal to 7 into 6 students. Then finally x equal to 42. X equal to how much value, students? 42. Okay. Next one. If x cube plus 5 equal to y plus x square, then the value of y, students. Right? Next we have taken x cube plus 5 equal to y plus x square. Y plus x square. Right? Substitute x and x value. Then that implies 42 whole cube plus 5 equal to y plus 42 whole square. 42 whole square. Yes, observe carefully. Do 42 whole square along with 42 whole cube value, students. Do rough up the side. 42 into 42. So 2 to the 4, 2 4 j 8, 4 to j 8, 4 4 j 16. That is 4, 8 into 16, 7, 1764. 42 whole square value 1764, students. Next into 42 whole cube into 42. So 2 4 j 8, 2 6 are 12, 2 7 j 14, 15, 1 is to 3. Next one. 4 4 j 16, 4 6 are 24, 25. Next 4 7 j 28 and 13. 4 1 is 4 plus 3 7. So that is 8, 8, 10, 4, 7. 74,088. 74,088. So 42 whole cube value. You can express here, students. 74,088. So plus 5 equal to y plus 42 whole square value. 1764. 1764. Okay, students. Add this value. So 5 plus 8 plus 5, 13. So 74,093. 74,093 equal to y plus 1764. This plus value transfer left side becomes minus. Then y equal to 74,093 minus 1764. Minus 1764. So do product subtraction value, difference value, students, aside 74,093 and 1764. So it becomes 9, 8 minus 6, 2, and again 10 minus 7, it becomes 3. So 3 minus 1, 2, 72,329. Y equal to how much, student? 72,329. Therefore, y equal to 72,329, students. This is the solution of given problem. Okay, right. So first analyze the problem carefully, then do the division, then you can get the solution easily, students. Right? Right, students. If 0.475 equal to a by 10 plus b by 100 plus c by 10, 1000, then a plus b plus c by 10 into 100 into 1000 equal to dash, students. So observe this value, what they given carefully. Solution given by guessing. How much a value, observe, students. A equal to how much a value, observe. Here, first value, observe. 0.4 means 4 by 10. Is it or not? So 4 by 10 means that is a value equal to 4. A value equal to 4. Next, b equal to, students. B B value. B value means 0.07. 0.07. That means B value 7. Okay. And also C equal to 5 students. C equal to 5. A equal to 4. B equal to 7. C equal to 5. Okay. Right. Next one. What he asked? Therefore, A plus B plus C by, so 10 into 100 into 1000 equal to A value students 4, B value 7, C value 5. Substitute the values. So 4 plus 7 plus 5 by, okay. So 1 after 1 into 1 into 1. So 1 after how many zeros? 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it becomes, okay, 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 5, 16. So 16 by 1 after 6 zeros. Okay students, here observe carefully. You can express finally 0.123416. This is the solution of given problem students. Okay, all of you must observe and practice carefully. Right. 5 power 17 plus 5 power 18 plus 5 power 19 plus 5 power 20 is divisible by dash students. Is divisible by dash. So observe carefully here. In both all these problems, solution given. So 5 power 17 plus 5 power 18. So plus 5 power 19. So plus 5 power 20. In 4 terms given. In all these, which is the common factor? 5 power 17 as a common factor. 5 power 17 as a common factor. So 5 power 17 of 1 plus 5 plus 5 square plus 5 cube. Is it or not? 5 power 17 into 1, 5 power 17. 5 power 17 plus 5, 5 power 18. 5 power 17 plus 5 square, 5 power 19, and then unfollowed by last term students. So then that implies 5 power 17 of 1 plus 5 plus 5 square value 25 and 5 cube value 125. 125. Isn't it or not? So then that implies 5 power 17 into, okay, 125 plus 25, 150, 150 plus 6, 156 students. 156. So then that implies 5 power 17 into, so 156 can be written as 12 into 13. 12 into 13. Isn't it or not? So 12 into 13 nothing but 156. So this number is divisible by either 12 or 13 or 5 power 17. So don't take this one. So divisible by 12 and 13. 12 and 13. Okay. So why? Because of 13 is a prime number only. That's why I take only if it is prime number. So it is divisible by. Therefore it is divisible by. So it is divisible by 13. This is the solution of given problem students. Right. So if x cube plus of 1 by x power 13 plus of 1 by x power 13 equal to 2, then the value of 2x by 3x square minus 5x plus 3 will be dash. Okay. Right. Observe the solution carefully students. So solution given x power 13 plus 1 by x power 13 equal to 2 students. Okay, here by guessing put x equal to 1, both sides are equal or not, check it students. So then if x replace 1 power 13 value 1. Okay, next here 1 power 13 value 1 by 1 nothing but 1. 1 plus 1 how much? 2. 1 plus 1 how much students? 2. So by guessing x equal to 1 students, x equal to 1, we can get the result. Isn't it or not? Then we find 2x by 3x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to x replace 1 substitute student. So then the reply 2 into 1 by 3 of 1 square minus 5 of 1 plus 3. It becomes 2 into 1 nothing but 2 by 1 square value 1. 3 into 1, 3 minus 5 plus 3. So finally it becomes 2 by 3 plus 3, 6 minus 5. So it becomes 2 by 1. 2 by 1 nothing but 2 is the final solution. 2 is the final solution. I thought all of you understood, student. These are the different problems, friends. And next video we discuss again different type of again one more problem, students. Right? Thank you.